I have taken aluminium. Aluminium is more reactive than hydrogen. So it will displace hydrogen from hydrochloric acid, and it will be a displacement reaction occurring. Apart from that, hydrogen gas will be liberated. Since hydrogen gas will be liberated, we'll see what happens when hydrogen gas is produced. So I have added aluminum foil to it. I'll just show you what happens. I hope you can see the bubbles being formed in the reaction. So bubbles are formed. Now I'll bring the candle next to it and it will go off with the, you can hear the pop sound. I hope you have